How to sign in your Google Workspace account. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily sign in your Google Workspace account on your device. So first thing first, what you want to do is simply head over to any of your browser and search in for Google Workspace, login, and you will be redirected to this account, this page, where you can simply click on this Google Workspace, and once you click on it you will be heading over to this screen. And from over here it will ask you to enter your business name. So just enter your business name, and once you enter your business name, and you will be asked to enter number of employees including you, and simply select any of it and accordingly, and simply click on the region of your country, and you will be heading over to this screen where you can enter your first name, last name, and your current email address, and just click on next. And once you fill all of the details, simply click on next from over here. And if you need a domain, simply click on yes, I have one and I can use. If you don't, just simply click on no, I don't need, and search for the domain name like for your business, just like this. And you can get your domain name for a particular price, and you can select your price like this. Just make sure it's specific, or you can also use the domain which you already own, and simply click on next, and you have to fill up your street address and business phone number. So let me just do that. And once you do all of this, simply click on next. Once you click on next, you'll need to enter your username and password from over here. So let me just fill it. You can turn these options on if you want, and you can simply click on this I'm not a robot and simply click on agree and continue. Simply click on no for now, and just wait for some time. And after clicking on this plan for trying for 3 days, you will have successfully registered for your Google Workspace account. You simply have to enter your card number from over here for the payment option for your domain, which is $12 per yearly and $15.12 monthly for the business standard. You can check out the options here as well, and simply click on agree and continue. So once you do that, once it's verified, you will have your Google Workspace account successfully created. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.